Hello everybody, I'm Jeremy Logston.
I'm Kara Logston.
We're the general chairs of the Upper Arlington Civic Association 4th of July. Welcome to the 100th Upper Arlington Parade and celebrating America's 250th birthday.
It's a big day here in UA and everybody is so excited. We kicked it off at 6 a.m. with wake-up calls and people are already lining the streets of Northwest Boulevard to start this parade.
We have 7 neighborhood floats this year in the parade, over 20 judgeable floats, and almost 100 entries this year with classic cars, military vehicles, school bands, sports teams, cheerleading teams. Really, the whole community comes out. It's all volunteer organization with a big support from the city of Upper Arlington.
And there are thousands of people who come out to watch the parade. Everybody's in red, white, and blue. People come back into town to celebrate, and it makes Upper Arlington so special on this day.
And then tonight we have our Upper Arlington Party in the Park. Thousands of people come out. We'll have 14 food trucks. We have 2 bands, tables set up. It's a real big party.
At 9:55, the Upper Arlington Vocal Ensemble will sing the national anthem, and at 10 o'clock on the dot, the drones will fire in the air, followed immediately by the fireworks.